Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for achieving your fitness goals, calorie counting. We're going to break down 10 super easy and practical ways to count calories like a pro, so you can finally ditch the guesswork and start seeing real results. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain your current weight, or even gain muscle, understanding your calorie intake is key. Get ready to unlock the secrets to calorie counting success. Let's get started. Welcome to the world of calorie tracking apps. My top picks are MyFitnessPal, Lose It, and Chronometer. Download one and start logging your meals. Most apps have huge food databases for easy calorie calculation. Many even scan barcodes. Connect your fitness tracker for a complete picture. Embrace technology and let a calorie tracking app be your pocket-sized nutritionist. Let's talk about nutrition labels. Look for the serving size and calories per serving. A small package might have multiple servings. Next time, be a label detective and decode those nutrition facts. Another super effective way to track your calories is by keeping a good old-fashioned food journal. Write down everything you eat and drink throughout the day, including portion sizes. To find the calorie values for your food, you can use online databases like the USDA Food Composition Database or calorie-counting websites. The act of writing everything down can make you more aware of your eating habits. This awareness can be incredibly powerful for making positive changes. Let's talk about portion control because eyeballing portions can be tricky. A digital food scale is your secret weapon for accurate calorie counting. It takes the guesswork out of portion sizes and gives you precise measurements. Simply place your food on the scale, and it'll tell you exactly how much it weighs. Especially helpful for calorie-dense foods like nuts, seeds, and oils. Embrace the power of precision and let your food scale be your guide. Sometimes you're out and about without a food scale. No problem. Estimate your calorie intake using common portion sizes. Learn visual cues like a cup, tablespoon, or ounce. For example, cooked pasta is about the size of your fist, and meat is about the size of a deck of cards. Practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Meal prepping is a game changer for busy bees who want to stay on top of their calorie intake. By preparing your meals in advance, you can control the ingredients, portion sizes, and calorie count of each serving. Prepare large batches of your favorite healthy recipes, divide them into individual portions, and store them in the fridge or freezer. When it's time to eat, simply grab a pre-portioned meal and you're good to go. It's the ultimate secret weapon for calorie counting success. Do you love to cook at home? Me too. And with recipe calorie calculators, you can whip up your favorite dishes while keeping track of your calorie intake. Simply input your recipe, including the ingredients and quantities, and the calculator will do the math for you. You'll get a total calorie count for the entire recipe as well as a calorie breakdown per serving. Cooking at home gives you the power to create delicious and healthy meals while staying within your calorie goals. Having a quick reference guide for common foods can be super helpful when you're in a hurry or don't have access to other resources. Create your own cheat sheet or look for pre-made guides online. List out the approximate calorie values for foods you eat regularly, like a cup of rice, a banana, or a slice of bread. It's all about making informed choices. Eating out can be a calorie counting challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Many restaurants now provide calorie information on their menus. Check the menu online and choose dishes with known calorie values. If not available, ask your server. Opt for grilled or baked dishes, smaller portions, and load up on veggies. Eating out can be healthy with a little mindfulness. It's easy to forget that drinks can contribute to our daily calorie intake, but those liquid calories add up quickly. Don't overlook beverages like sodas, juices, alcohol, and coffee with sugar or milk. Track the calories in your drinks, just like with your food. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with lemon or lime. Staying hydrated is essential for health and can help you feel fuller. Thanks for watching. I hope these 10 easy tips have empowered you to take control of your calorie intake and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. Finding a calorie counting method that works for you is essential. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness advice, and share it with your friends. See you next time.